Well, what is going on, my party people? Hope you're doing well today. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing as well as a try on of a brand new system. This right here is one of the new European hair collections from Lavivid, which thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So this right here is one of their current hybrid systems that is really, really nice because it is a light density. Take a look at this. You can actually see through it, right? That's how light the density is. Now, a lot of people are scared of this, but this is actually really what you're looking for if you have hair like mine. This right here with the European hair, I've tried on maybe 1 to 2 European hair systems in my entire career, like in 6 years of wearing systems. So I'm excited to get back in some European hair and see the quality difference, to feel it, all of those things. So what we'll do is we will get this installed today. And we are essentially going to do a little bit of review of how the European hair feels, the density feels, all that kind of stuff. And I'll leave a link down in the comment section as well in the description if it's something that you want to try on yourself, because I think we've been asking for a long time to just have better quality systems in terms of that being European hair, as well as it being lighter density. And we're getting that now, and it's been a long journey, but we're here now. So we should be celebrating this. So before I go though, and I start cutting into the system, this is essentially the makeup of the system right here. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description below, so that way you can see exactly what it looks like. You can see we have poly in the back here, and then in the front we have all lace. So this right here is really, really good if you are somebody that is very active. This is good for the summer, but also want to have a little bit of that ease of poly on the backside. Just makes it easier to tape. As we know, if you've used hair systems for a while, the back especially can get the glue can break down, or the adhesive can break down quite easily, because there's, I think, a little bit more sweat that runs through it. The heat gets a little bit more trapped in that area too. So overall, this is a great hair system design, and we're going to be trying it on. I'll give you my reviews, and obviously you'll see the before and after. So, okay, so this is what the current system looks like right now. Obviously, guys, I haven't showered. Don't be hating on me. It's not styled or anything, but it's just to show you kind of what it generally looks like, which when it's styled, when it's washed, looks very, very good. But we're now going to switch over to the brand new European collection hair system. So I'll see you in a... Man, it is so good to get a brand new hair system. It is an amazing day whenever it happens. But what I wanted to talk about is kind of what we got going on here. So like I was saying, this is the Aries, but from the European hair collection. Now, this is approximately 12 hours after install. You guys know how it goes. The hair is going to be a little bit fluffier. It's going to be a little bit bigger, right? So right now, it probably looks like there's a lot of volume. Borderline, probably too much volume. That's completely natural. It is part of the process. If you want to avoid this from happening, what you can do is you can wash the hair multiple times before you actually get it installed, to try to take away some of the volume that you're going to get when you first install it. So what do I think of this system? Well, it's been about 12 hours. I played a game of paddle with it. I've gone to the gym already. So it is super comfortable. As always, the lace is really, really nice. But what is probably the highlight of this system right here is the European hair, right? That's actually the new collection. So I think the question is, how does it feel and compared with the cheaper or more cost-effective Indian hair? Is there a difference? What I would say is there definitely is a difference. In terms of the diameter of hair, like the biggest thing between Indian and European hair is actually the diameter of the hair itself, the hair like strand. So they're thinner, and they feel a little truer to form of how they should feel as a European male. How does that actually translate? Well, performance-wise, not in a big way. It's probably going to move through the wind a little bit more naturally. It's going to feel a little closer to your natural texture and what it should feel like, because it's a little bit thinner. And that is probably the last maybe like 15%. I would say, for people that want to look truly as natural as possible, and for it to feel as natural as possible. Like if people are running their hands through their hair, you might want to actually have that experience. So, is it worth it? If you're somebody that has the ability to maybe spend a little bit to get the European hair, if it's a little bit more expensive, well, yeah, 100%. I would totally recommend this. And I hope that Lavivid keeps on making these systems with European hair, because I think over here in the United States and in Europe, we need these options for people of our descent. Uh, it's going to sell more units for them, which, I'm always thinking about business, so that's a good thing. But for us, we're going to be happier with the overall experience. And the hair is going to kind of go through its natural process better than if we're using that Indian hair. So I definitely think you should at least try European hair once in your life to know what the difference is, to feel the difference. And then you can decide for yourself. For me, totally worth it. I like it a lot. I'm going to keep on buying them as long as Lavivid has them in stock. If I know how these things go, Lavivid will probably be out of stock of these bad boys in a very, very short period of time. They'll have to make more. But that is the road to them making it a little bit more of a permanent option. So what I encourage you to do is pick up a European hair system like this from the collection as soon as possible. So that way you get some before they go out of stock, before they're like, oh, wow, we need to make more of these because people want them. So that way you can experience it firsthand. You can try it firsthand. And you can enjoy the European hair while they're making that second batch, and then you can switch over to them. I think it's definitely an amazing addition. Who knows, maybe in the future we'll see an addition of the European hair with like some of the Zeomic technology, some of the antimicrobial stuff. I hope so, because I think the better we can get these systems, the better the performance is. Longer term, we're all going to be using them. All right, good to talk with you all. Check out the link in the bio if you'd like to get one of these systems, and I will see you soon.